Those of y'all that have ever heard of the Vizio Elevate, you're probably thinking of this or this. But what about this one? Hey everybody, it's your boy Adam with the Real Deal Tech Spot, where I give real reviews and real feedback for real people. The purpose of my channel is to provide you with practical information on everyday use electronics. So today I'm getting into the Vizio Elevate SE, which is one of the fairly newer releases from Vizio, just being released at the end of last year, 2024. Vizio Elevate SE is in a class of its own, so I feel like I should assess it accordingly. Evaluation, I'll be breaking it up into 4 components, coming from design to audio performance to setup and connectivity. So we'll get into it right after this. Point number 1, the design. As you can see, this bar is really attractive. It has a cloth-like encasing, it's slim and modern looking. The surround speakers are designed to lie flat. I'm sure they can fit on a speaker stand, but the fact that they can lie on. The soundbar itself is 36 inches long. The surround speakers and the soundbar all have cloth faces for better sound quality. The side speakers or surround speakers have 4 feet on them, 4 rubber feet, so that they can sit on any flat surface. They can also be mounted or go on a stand. Bottom of the subwoofer, 4 rubber feet that it stands on. This is your actual woofer, and then the ports on the back for each of the surround speakers and your power input. This is your pair button, so in case you accidentally disconnect this from the bar somehow, this would be the button you press to pair it. With this device, I've noticed that the surround speakers give off better sound than all of the sound bars that I've done so far. This device also brings to life with a cinematic experience the Dolby Atmos, with the up-firing speakers on each end of the bar itself. You can tell when Dolby Atmos or Dolby Digital Audio has been activated by the way the speakers rotate themselves upward to give you that cinematic feel. The setup is quick and easy thanks to the Vizio app. Everything that needs to be done, including calibration, can be done through the app, as they have preset equalizer settings. Here you would go into the app to customize all of your sound settings. It does offer 3 but you would go into the personalized tab in order to set all of these. So you have your bass, treble, center channel, subwoofer, surround balance, the clear dialogue option, and the height. All of these can be adjusted to suit your preferred sound. I have mine all the way up because I enjoy the loudness. I enjoy the bass, the depth of the subwoofer and everything. That's just me. You have control over your surround speakers. That's just me. You have control over your surround speakers. Like I said, movie, music, and direct. Part 4 connectivity. The bar successfully connects to any TV device through the eARC, which is also the HDMI port, with two other options for connectivity. There is the Bluetooth as well as the USB. If you're still with me in the video this far, just do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe so I can give you more content and you can receive the updates for videos I drop as I post them. Thanks guys. Also include a short clip of the bar's capabilities being demonstrated right before I come back with my real deal wrap up.
This is our only chance. We have to take it. We need calm. The world needs it. To stop what's coming. And this child, she's the only one he'll communicate with.
I knew that they had a bond. She had nowhere to go, so I made a promise to protect her. And I think that in some way, Khan did the same. Godzilla.
These are dangerous times. Godzilla's out there and he's hurting people and we don't know why.
There's something provoking him that we're not seeing here.
I'm of the same opinion.
The myths are real. There was a war. And they're the last ones standing.
I keep reaching for greatness because I'm built from it.
Who bows to who?
Nobody gonna stop for me. Here we go.
Khan bows to no one.
Here we go.
Real deal about the Vizio Elevate is for the quality and for everything that comes with it, I'd say it's well worth the price, given the fact that the price substantially dropped in retails everywhere. If you like this video, go ahead and like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for me. And if you had any questions or comments about the Vizio Elevate SE, go ahead and leave them down below. It's your boy Adam.